So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to focus on LeetCode problem 295, which is find median from data stream, which is a hard LeetCode question, and we are going to try to solve this particular problem, as this problem is from the topic of arrays and pointers, and we have made one video on the DSA series about arrays and pointers. So we are going to solve this particular problem, and dry run, test run in front of you also, that you could also understand what is in this particular question. So first of all, what I do is, after seeing this particular hard question, is I basically import all the packages which is contained under Java. So now I going to read question, which is the median is the middle value in an ordered integer list. If the size of the list is even, there is no middle value, and the median is the mean of two middle values. Alright, for example, array 2 3, the median is 3. Array 2 3, the median is 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 2.5. So if there are even number of numbers in a particular array, then their average would be your particular median, and if it is an odd number of integers present in an array, then the middle element will be the median. Okay, implement the median finder class, initialize the median finder object, add num, adds the integer num from the data stream data structure, that is array has got an extra number. Double find mean, that is returns the median of all elements so far answers within 10 to the power minus 5 of the actual answer, that will be accepted from you. Yeah, so this is all about particular your median. So we have understood the question, right? Now which data structure I am going to use to solve this particular problem, and that data structure is going to be your heap, right? It is heap. So first of all, I would make a Max-Heap, right? Priority queue, the data type will be what? Integer, right? And I will name it as lower half. Let's make it, for a understanding, lower half. So yeah, it's lower half, and the next will be what? It would be the upper half. Yeah, so I made the lower half and I made the upper half to implement this particular thing. And for the median finder, what I need to do is write the lower half, which will be equal to a new priority queue, right, containing a data type not defined right now, and it would come from collections.reverse order. Reverse order. Yeah, done. Now I am going to define the upper half, which would be equal to just the new priority queue. Alright, done. Now we have defined our mid finder, like this is how we will define our mid. And now I can go to the next section of add num, right? Here how we can add is like, if we give lower half is empty, then we definitely need to add a number so that there would be a median, right? And num is pointing arrow towards lower half dot peak, that is the topmost, what, topmost element. Lower half dot offer what? Num. Done. Now I will write your else part. What will be then in the else part? If it is not having any element and the num is not in the peak position, then upper half dot offer num. means I will offer it in the upper half only, because the lower half is full already. Yeah. Now the next condition will be to balance the heaps. For that I need if lower half dot size is particularly greater than upper half dot size minus 1. Yeah, not minus 1, it should be plus 1. Yeah, so it would contain what? It would be upper half dot offer lower half dot poll. Else if upper half dot size greater than lower half dot size. Now what will it be? It will be lower half dot offer upper half dot poll. Just the reverse of what we did above. Yeah. Now we are going towards the end. Now we have solved this particular conditional statement. Now we will try to solve the particular find min. That is, if lower half dot size is greater than upper half dot size. What does it satisfy is that it will return the lower half dot peak. Yeah, so it will return that only. After that we can basically now return our median as lower half dot peak, yeah, plus upper half dot peak, which will be divided by 2.0. So yeah, this is all the code for this particular LeetCode hard problem. Let's see it's not running or not. Yes, it runs. So this is the code, you can copy it. I will definitely give it in the description box, also in the comments, and also tell me how was it. Is it easy for you to understand or not, because I'm making this videos for the sole purpose of your understanding only, and I'm also trying myself to understand this particular topic also. I am having some command but not that great command, so I am trying to have that also command. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, supporting. Thank you all. See you in the next one. Bye.